Unraveling, ravaged by, understanding its impact. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, ravaged by. This powerful term carries a lot of weight in English, and understanding it can add depth to your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this phrase. The term, ravaged by, is used to describe something that has been severely damaged or harshly affected by an event or action. It often conveys a sense of destruction or deterioration that is extensive and devastating. To grasp the meaning fully, let's look at some examples. A country ravaged by war implies a nation that has undergone immense destruction and suffering due to conflict. An ecosystem ravaged by pollution suggests an environment that has been critically harmed by contaminants, possibly leading to the loss of wildlife and natural resources. These examples show how ravaged by can describe a variety of situations, all sharing the common theme of intense and widespread adversity. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express the concept of being ravaged by. Some synonyms include devastated by, destroyed by, wrecked by. Each of these carries a similar meaning but may be used in slightly different contexts or to convey varying degrees of damage. When using ravaged by, it's important to choose contexts that imply significant harm or change. Pair it with nouns that can logically be affected in such a way, like communities, environments, or objects. Remember, it's a strong term and should be used to describe serious situations. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of ravaged by for you. Remember, language is a tool to express and evoke emotion, and phrases like this one are potent colors in your linguistic palette. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be painting vivid pictures with your words. Until next time, happy learning!